Everyone is out here building audiences, posting every day, chasing followers, grinding for the algorithm. Meanwhile, a completely different category of website exists. It earns ad income every single month with zero of that, no content, no camera, no following required. Just a simple tool that answers one question people are already searching for. That is the model I want to break down today, and Hostinger Horizons is how we build it. My name is Paul James. I run this channel for freelancers, marketers, and solo operators, people who want real leverage without bloated tool stacks. That is what this channel is for, and it is what today is about. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. Let me be clear about exactly what kind of website I mean. Most people tie traffic to content creation. You post, traffic builds, you stop posting, it fades. That is not a system. That is a job. Utility sites operate on completely different logic. A utility site does one specific thing someone needs done: a readability checker for bloggers, a profit margin calculator for small business owners, a client proposal cost estimator for freelancers. Someone types what they need into Google. Your tool gives the answer fast, and Google records it. The next time someone searches the same thing, your site gets the click again. That loop keeps running without you adding anything new. No new posts, no new videos, no updates required. The site does not age out, the search demand stays, and your ad income keeps arriving. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about with this model. The sites that run it do not look impressive. They are fast, functional, and focused, and that is exactly why they work. Google does not rank sites for being pretty. Google ranks sites for solving problems efficiently. A well-built utility tool does that better than most content sites ever will. Here is what makes this model powerful. Those visitors are not browsing. They came for exactly what your tool does. Intentional visitors earn consistent search rankings. Consistent rankings produce consistent page views. Consistent page views are what ad platforms pay you for. Most people assume building a web tool means hiring a developer or learning to code. That assumption has kept the average person out of this income model for years. Hostinger Horizons removes that assumption entirely. Horizons is Hostinger's AI website builder. You describe your tool in plain language, and the platform builds a real working site, not a static information page. An interactive tool that functions the way a professionally coded site would. This is the entry point the silent traffic stack has been waiting for. Now let me show you the framework. I call it the silent traffic stack. 3 layers, each one building on the last. Layer 1 is the tool. One page, one purpose, one specific searchable problem solved. Layer 2 is the search signal. Your tool has to answer something people are actively typing into Google right now. Not something you hope might trend. Something with real proven demand behind it. Layer 3 is the revenue layer. Passive ad income through Google AdSense that scales with page views, not with your hours. Hostinger Horizons is what makes all 3 layers executable without writing a line of code. Here is something the average tutorial never explains about ad income on utility sites. You do not need huge visitor numbers to make the math work. You need the right visitors. People who arrive with a clear goal, use your tool, and come back again. That behavior creates multiple page views per session. Ad platforms pay per page view, not per unique visitor. When that traffic is consistent, the income compounds week over week without additional work from you. Here is where things get wild. You can check whether your tool idea has real search demand before you commit to building anything. Horizons makes that validation step possible right from the start. No guessing. You move with actual data before spending a single minute on a build. Now let me walk you through exactly what building with Hostinger Horizons looks like. You click the link in the description, which takes you straight to the Horizons platform. Select a plan. The starter plan, for example, gives you room for 25 separate sites and full monetization options. The annual plan includes a custom domain tied to your account. It also includes a professional business email address. Hostinger is running a discount on annual billing right now. At checkout, enter the coupon code PaulHorizons for an additional percentage off your first payment. If you need more AI credits as you scale, flexible top-ups are available inside the platform. And if you decide it is not for you, the refund window runs 30 days. Getting your money back is simple. Once you are inside, the onboarding flow walks you through setup clearly. It asks about your goal, your niche, and the kind of tool you want to build. That takes about 2 minutes. Then you land in the main builder where everything happens. Horizons has a built-in AI assistant called Cody. Use Cody to think through your idea and sharpen your direction before committing to a build. It draws no build credits, so you can take your time and get it right. Before writing your build description, I recommend one extra step. Open ChatGPT first and ask it to help you write a detailed prompt for your site idea. That prep sharpens the brief before you bring it into Horizons. The specificity of your input shapes the quality of what comes out. You describe what you want the tool to do, and Horizons builds it. A functional, working site that does exactly what you described. Mobile-friendly automatically, since most search traffic now comes from phones. AdSense integration is already baked in. You connect your Google AdSense account once, and Horizons handles ad placement throughout the site. Once you are happy with the result, publishing is one click. A real domain, a working tool, live and ready to earn. This part used to feel genuinely overwhelming when I was first getting started. I grew up without much to work with. I spent real time in my brother's garage, figuring out how online income worked. No budget, no connections, no one to ask. The idea that a simple web tool could earn passively would have changed everything back then. The tools were not there yet. They are now. Stay with me because here is where the money angle gets real for your situation. If you offer digital marketing services to local business owners, this model fits naturally. You build tools targeting searches your clients' customers are already making. A home renovation budget estimator for a contractor client, a local competitor ranking checker for a service area business, a review response grade tool for a restaurant owner. Each one earns passive ad income through AdSense. Each one can double as a lead magnet with a follow-up offer on the results page. You are not just building ad revenue, you are generating client leads through the same tool. Hosting or Horizons gets each of those builds done in a single session. That changes the math on client work completely. Here is another angle if you are just starting out. You do not need to target a competitive niche first. The smartest move is often the most specific one. A grammar checker for non-native English speakers writing professional emails. A bid rate calculator for freelance graphic designers. A domain name availability tool for people launching a local business. Not glamorous ideas, but glamorous is not the goal. Searchable and useful is the goal. If your tool answers something people are actively searching for, Hosting or Horizons can have it live today. Not next month, today. Most people never realize that part. The same tool earning you ad income can also bring clients directly to your door. That is the silent traffic stack working across two revenue layers at once. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me give you a concrete picture of how this plays out. Imagine a freelance marketer who builds a simple social media bio character counter. Writers and content creators search for a tool to check their Instagram bio character count. The tool is free, fast, and solves the problem completely. Traffic builds, they add a second tool, a hashtag density checker, then a third, a caption readability scorer for local business posts. Now they have a small portfolio of tools earning through AdSense independently. No updates needed, no new content required, the silent traffic stack running across multiple pages, income compounding with it. None of those three tools required coding knowledge, none required a large upfront investment. Each one was built using Hosting or Horizons in a single session. The only real input was the idea and a clear description. That is the whole game. Picture what your next 90 days look like even if you only launch 2 or 3 tools. No viral moment required, no large email list needed, just targeted tools solving real problems, earning on every page view. As rankings build and traffic compounds, so does the income. Each tool you build teaches you which search queries convert best. That knowledge stacks. You have a process, a platform, and a model that actually compounds over time. That is not something most content strategies can say. Hosting or Horizons is the fastest path I have found to making that real. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income.